Everyone needs to seriously stop right now, run to Amazon and buy these ASAP. I have been wearing this nonstop. The great thing about this is you can dress it up, dress it down. And I was like, oh my God, that's a cool little like technique. And I noticed that my hair lasted days. Just basically get this and your meat will be juicier. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we have an Amazon favorites, and I'm super excited for this one because I have so many new goodies from Amazon that I have just been obsessed over these last few months, I would say, because I think my last one was like 4 or 5 months ago. We have everything from clothing, skincare, some kitchen items, just a whole random compiled list of a bunch of my faves from Amazon that y'all need. Okay. As you guys can see, I am all cozy. I figured it's the perfect day just to sit down, chit chat with y'all, and go through my favorites. So the first favorite that I want to mention is something that has my skin looking right, you guys. Like, I'm telling you, I've been obsessed with this. So huge shout out to Goodall for sponsoring today's video. I have been completely obsessed with their Green Tangerine Vitamin C Dark Spot Serum Plus. You guys, this stuff is incredible. It has my skin just looking so bright and so glowy. I have used so many different vitamin C serums, and personally, this one is my absolute favorite just simply because of the results that I get, but also the texture, the way that it applies. It just makes your skin feel so good. Green tangerines actually contain 10 times more vitamin C than ripe oranges, which is so much more natural and gentle and just overall better than lab-made vitamin C. You know you're getting good quality vitamin C derived from fresh green tangerine extract. Also, this is a great alternative for a fraction of the price to the Skin Cuticle CE Vitamin C Serum, especially for those of you who don't want to jump straight into using a serum that's super expensive or very strong. This is the perfect alternative for a fraction of the price, and it is super gentle on the skin so anyone can use it. For me, I get a lot of discoloration in my face, and ever since I started using this, I noticed that my skin is so much more bright and clear. Vitamin C is amazing for so many things, but especially for addressing anti-aging, hyperpigmentation, discoloration. So what's really cool is they actually did a 2-week melanin test to really see how this product works on the inner layers of the skin, and honestly the results are insane. Like, when I saw these results, I was like, I need to get on that and try that ASAP. So these results were actually garnered from Mark VU, which is a super precise analyst system. I'm literally looking at the results again on my phone, and I'm just like in shock all over again. The first time I saw it, I was like, yeah, I need to try that. Like, that's how you know these results are clinically proven. Like, they're literally clinically proven, so you know that you're getting a product that's going to work. So Vitamin C Day is actually coming up, and Goodall actually is going to be having 20% off. You can go ahead and shop them now. I will leave my link in the description box down below for you guys if you're interested in checking them out. I highly recommend that you do, especially if you want glowing, clear, fresh skin. I'm telling you, it's one of the best vitamin C serums. Okay, let's get into some clothing faves. I had these hung up in my closet so they don't get all wrinkly, but you guys, I have been, let's slide back a little. I have been obsessed with this trench coat that I got from Amazon. I actually saw this on Diana. I don't know if you guys follow her, but I'll link her channel down below. I love her, and I love her style. She always has great pieces from Amazon, and when I saw this, I was like, I need that. So I did have to buy this from the, actually have it a little bit dirty here, I have to clean that, but I did buy this from the Amazon US and just paid a little bit of duties because I don't think I could find it on the Canadian one, but it was totally fine. It's still worth it to me. I absolutely love the color of it. Like, look at the color. It's the perfect tone, perfect fit. I have mine in a large, which fits me now that I'm pregnant and will still fit me really nice when I'm not pregnant, because you're gonna get that like loose oversized fit. You really don't want a fitted look with a trench, and it's just so nice. Like, I love it. I have been wearing this nonstop. The great thing about this is you can dress it up, dress it down. Like, I wore this to the mall, but then I also wore this to dinner to a nice restaurant. Like, you could easily dress it up, easily dress it down. The other piece of clothing that I got these 2 pieces especially because I'm pregnant, but it's awesome because I'm still gonna be able to wear it postpartum, especially when you have a little bit of a tummy still. But I'm also just gonna be able to wear it when I like have my pre-pregnancy body back again. Like, these just make really great little outfits. So the first is this little white linen top blouse, but I will be wearing it like open with a tank top underneath. I actually just recently took some really cute maternity photos at home with this and just like tied it up and let the bump show, so that's super cute for that too. But in terms of just outfits, I will definitely be wearing this with some leggings, tank top, sneakers, crossbody bag. You're good to go. Like, cute little outfit. You can wear them with sandals or slides. And then I got like a jean version because, again, same thing, like such a cute little outfit, especially because I'm going to be having a lot of OB appointments now. I'm going to be going to weekly appointments. So I need outfits for that. And also the weather's just getting nicer, so I'm going out for more walks or going to lunch. Me and my husband love going to lunch on this really gorgeous patio with this place that we know. So it's just nice to have like little cute outfits to wear for spring. So this is like perfect too when the weather's like warm but still has like a little bit of a chill in the air. So you need a nice little long sleeve to throw over. So again, I would wear this with leggings, tank top, slides, sneakers, you're good to go. I had to just take these off my feet because I'm wearing them right now. Everyone needs to seriously stop right now, run to Amazon and buy these ASAP. Like I'm telling you, I've put my sisters on them because they're so comfortable. Steph just bought a pair and she's like, yeah, these are comfortable. She came over my house and I was like, just try them on. Just try them on. And the second she tried them on, she's like, placing the order now. Like that's how comfortable they are. And not only are they super comfortable, they're so cute. They really give me just like super sleek, like minimalist vibes. And they're very easy to clean because they're like, I guess rubber or whatever. They're so comfortable, like the thick sole, you guys. Oh my God. And if you're short like me, 5'1", these give me like an extra 1.5 inches of height. And I'm just like, okay, like I'm feeling myself. But yeah, I just love these so much. They come, this is the color khaki. I actually just bought another pair of these this morning because my feet are actually starting to get swollen. My fingers are starting to get swollen too, which is just not fun. But none of like my house shoes, except for my beige slippers, fit my feet right now. And my beige slippers, obviously I love, I'm obsessed with. I wear them all the time in the fall and winter. But now that it's spring, I wear my beige fur slippers at night when it gets cold, but during the day, these have become like my slippers to wear around the house because they're the only thing that fit me right now. Like I said, my feet are really swollen. I've been wearing these around the house and they feel like you are walking on a cloud. Like I'm not joking. It's literally like walking on a cloud, but I also want to wear them out. Like they're so cute to wear with outfits. So I just bought a second pair this morning so that I can wear them out with outfits as well and have like a house pair and then like an outside pair. I do want to get them in black too. I'm actually thinking of bringing them to the hospital because I think these are going to be the perfect like hospital shoe to wear because you can wear them in the shower. So when you are like delivering and stuff, I've heard a lot of people say like bring shower shoes because you're not going to want to be barefoot in the hospital shower, like gross, you know? These would be perfect because you could wear them in the shower and dry them off easily with a towel just because of the material. So I want to buy a black pair for the hospital, but they are sold out, so I'll see about that. But if not, I'll just bring the khaki pair. I'm obsessed. Get them. They're true to size. I'm a size 8, so I just got a size 8. Even though my feet are swollen, they still fit me nicely. So I had to mention these pants again. I have shared them with you before, but I just feel like I need to mention them again. I feel like everyone needs to buy these. They are a yoga lounge pant. Like they're just a lounge pant. But they have this really nice wide band and they're not maternity at all, but they're perfect if you're pregnant and obviously if you're not pregnant. I am 1000% still wearing these. Like when I even have my pre-pregnancy body back, like these are so comfortable. But if you do have a bump too, they really work for the bump because they're so stretchy. So I've been wearing a medium my entire pregnancy. That's how stretchy they are, you guys. Like, and they're so comfy. They're not even snug at all. And just the feeling is they have that buttery, you know, that buttery, soft, smooth feeling. Oh, so comfy. They have a nice wide leg, so they're like really just nice right now. The great thing about these is because they are a lounge pant, you could totally wear this out. Like you could totally wear this out with a nice black crew neck, wear a nice crossbody bag, some slides or some sneakers, and make an outfit out of it. Or you can wear it as pajamas around the house at home. I do both. Like I am obsessed with these. You need them. So the only thing with this is every time I try to link them, they're always sold out. So I will try my best to find the link for them if they're available for both Canada and US. Okay, next thing is this pregnancy pillow. So I see a lot of people using those really large pregnancy body pillows and I almost felt like peer pressured. I was like, well, everybody uses them when they're pregnant, so I need to use them. So I bought one and I was like, okay, let's try this. It's just too much for me. It's just too much. Like, it's too claustrophobic. It takes up the entire bed. I will say it was comfortable. The one that I got, like, if you love pregnancy body pillows, the one that I got is so comfortable. Like, I remember being in it and being like, yo, this is mad comfortable. But I just was like feeling a bit claustrophobic. I will actually link the one that I have down below if you guys want to check it out. I do recommend it if you like that, if you like, you know, your typical pregnancy pillow. But anyways, I was like, I need to look for something to help me stop rolling on my back because I kept rolling on my back. So around 20 weeks, I purchased this Boppy wedge pillow, and you guys, I'm obsessed with it. This is the perfect pillow. It's so small and compact, but just gets the job done, you know, like you don't need an overly big pillow. So what I do is I put this on my side. You can actually buy 2 of them and put them on both sides. That way you don't roll on your back while you're sleeping, because I kept rolling on my back. So I'll show you guys how it is. When you do roll on your back, it doesn't matter because you're on a tilt. And they always say you can sleep on your back as long as you're on like a tilt, you're just not flat. So this helps keep you from being completely flat on your back. And you can also use it as like belly support. You can put it under your belly, you can put it in between your knees. This is just great. You can use this to elevate your feet. It's the perfect compact little pillow to give you support without being overwhelming. Next thing, you guys, is kind of like you're wondering, okay, what's so special about that? But this paddle brush is the best hairbrush I have ever used. My hair tangles come out within seconds. I'm not even joking. This was actually kind of pricey. I think this was like $20 Canadian, and I was like, whoa. But people in the reviews were like, it's worth the extra money. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna get it. Let me tell you, it's worth the extra money. You guys, this is the best paddle brush I have ever used. It looks like it's dirty, but it's not. It's because I put hairspray and texture spray on it. So really good tip that what made me buy this actually was when I went to my hairdresser. I noticed that after she did my blowout and she brushed out my hair, she sprayed hairspray directly on the paddle brush and then brushed my hair. And I was like, oh my God, that's a cool little like technique. And I noticed that my hair lasted days. So I've been doing that lately. Then I picked up this 3-pack of hair clips, you guys. It comes in 3 shades of brown, which is perfect for my hair color. But even if you obviously don't have brown hair, brown is just such a nice neutral color. But I love these so much because they're not overly big. I don't have super thick hair. I actually have quite like medium hair, and I wanted these for a half up, half down look. So if I bought a clip too big, it would just kind of drag and slip out of my hair. My hair is super, super soft. And so things often like fall out of it. So I need clips and hair ties to be snug. But if I did want to put all my hair up at once, these would be a little too small. But they're perfect for like medium hair for half up down hairstyles. So I love these so much. Okay, so then I wanted to share with you guys the Aquaphor Immediate Relief Chapstick. So you guys know that I love the pharmacy chapstick so much, but it's like $15, which is crazy, and I always have to buy 5 at a time, so I end up spending almost $100 on like chapstick. So I saw this one, I think on Instagram, and I was like, oh, let me just try it. It comes in a 2-pack, and I've really been loving this. Like my lips have been very dry throughout my pregnancy. The pharmacy one works amazing, but I was like, let me see if this one can keep up, you know? And it does. Like I actually really like it. My only complaint about it is the packaging. Packaging is like a little loose, so when you're putting it on, like I'll show you guys, when you're putting it on, like it easily retracts back into the tube. So that's like a little annoying. But all I do when applying it to avoid that is I firmly hold the little like twister part. I'll just firmly hold it with my fingers to stop it from retracting. I really love this. I love Aquaphor for my lips in general, but sometimes I don't want the greasy Vaseline type of like texture, because especially if I'm gonna wear makeup or go out or anything, I like that at night, but not throughout the day. So this is a great alternative because like the chapstick version, it's not greasy at all. And it really does wonders on your lips. Like my lips have been a lot softer. So yeah, I love this. So now we're getting into kitchen items. So I've been using this meat thermometer. I watch More Seasoning. Jaclyn Hill's fiance, I believe his name is Farnham. I don't want to mispronounce it, but his channel is called More Seasoning, and I've been watching a lot of his videos, and he loves this so much. So this is basically such an easy little tool. You just open it, you stick this in, and it'll tell you what temperature the inside of your meat is so that you don't overcook your meat, and you just get the perfectly cooked meat every single time. So this was perfect for me because now that I'm pregnant, I need to eat well done steak, and it's so easy with well done steak to overcook it, like because you really want it to be well done, right? So you be leaving it in the pan for like 30 minutes and you don't need to, and then it becomes dry. So I was like, I just want to get the steak to the point where it's like just hit well done and I can take it off and start eating it. I don't want to overcook steak, you know? So that's kind of what made me get this. And it's been perfect, you guys. Like I've been making really good well done steak because I just let it hit 160 and then I pull my steak off and we're good. So this is also great for chicken. I don't know about you guys, but anytime I make chicken, I'm like super conscious about not undercooking it. That a lot of times I end up overcooking it. And with this, literally my chicken lately has been so juicy because I haven't been overcooking it. Like I said, like in the past I always was like, you know what, I'd rather overcook chicken than undercook chicken, right? So I would always let it sit on the stove for longer than needed. And with this, you just know you get it to the right temperature and you're good to go. Just basically get this and your meat will be juicier. That's all I gotta say. Other little item is this super, like this is so random, but this super small cutting board. So I've really been like, sometimes I just wanna like cut up a potato, or sometimes I just wanna cut up a mango or cut up an orange. And it's just, I just need something small. This is the perfect little size just to do like small chopping, you know what I mean? And what I love about this one in particular, I don't know if you guys notice, the rubber sides keep it from sliding on your countertop. Like, you know how these tend to slide around, especially because it's small, doesn't have much weight to it. This does not slide around because how genius to have the little rubber sides, and it really keeps it staying there. And also like it has rubber feet. So I'm actually gonna replace them and get some more of these in the multiple sizes because they have bigger ones. So yeah, love this. Last item I wanted to mention, I do not have with me. It is in my kitchen. This dressing bottle, how cute is this? I recently started making my own salad dressing again because I'm like, honestly, there's so much ingredients in salad dressings in the grocery stores. You don't need all of the preservatives, all of the chemicals, all of the fillers, and all of the crap that is in the grocery store. So I was like, why do I not just make my own dressing? So I started making my own dressing, and honestly, my dressing is, it's so easy to make a good dressing, so easy. So I really wanted a cute bottle, and I love this bottle. It's clear, it's cute, it fits in your hand nicely, it's not overly big. It has the measurements thing, so when you're making the dressing every time, you can make the exact amount. Like, you don't need a measuring cup, you'll just know that, okay, I put oil up to here, then I put vinegar up to here. So it's just, it's really nice and convenient to have the measuring line. It's just a fire dressing bottle. I really, really love it. They actually have a larger version if you prefer that. I prefer the smaller one. I think it's just like cute and just more compact, but yeah, I love it. So that is it, you guys. I just wanted to share a bunch of my favorites from Amazon that I've been loving recently. I hope you guys check them out. Like, when I tell you that all of these products are my faves and they just keep me on point. I will link everything down below for both Canada and US. If I don't link something for Canada, it's because I purchased it from the US Amazon, which isn't often, but there's certain items sometimes where I do need to buy it from the US Amazon, either because they don't have it on the Canadian Amazon or because sometimes it's actually cheaper on the US Amazon, believe it or not, even with the conversion rates and duties and everything. So just know if I don't link something for the Canada one, it's because I bought it from the US one because it was either better or I had no choice because that was what was available. So yeah, I'm actually gonna start my maternity leave next week. Today is actually my last weekday working, so maybe I guess I'm starting it tomorrow, I guess you could say. Yeah, which is really awesome. I still have videos pre-filmed, so you guys won't even notice, you know what I mean? But it is currently the first week of April and I am due the first week of May. Baby is kicking right now. So I really just want to relax these last few weeks of my pregnancy, go for walks. I have some books that I want to read, just go on lunch dates, enjoy time that I have left alone with my husband before baby gets here. But your girl is going on maternity leave. Peace. I'm joking. But yeah, anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do not forget to check out Goodall. Like I said, you can get 20% off. So definitely check them out. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.